If you're not sure if you've been blocked on WhatsApp, there are 3 signs that prove that you have been blocked by a specific person. I'm going to walk you through all 3 of those, whether you're on an iPhone or an Android. So let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do, of course, is open up the WhatsApp app. And I'm just going to tap on a conversation with Trevor Android here. Now, what we're going to do is tap on the message and send a quick message to that person. What you'll notice right next to where it says hi, it says 9:26 a.m. and it has 1 check mark. That is the first sign. If I swipe over to the left on my message, you can see it has not been delivered. It would have 2 gray check marks if it's been delivered, and if it has 2 blue check marks, it has been read. However, it has neither of those, indicating that it has not been delivered to that person, a good indication that I've been blocked. Now, the second thing that we're going to look out for to see if we've been blocked, because potentially it only has 1 check mark if the other person's phone is dead or on airplane mode. The next thing we're going to do is tap on their name at the top. You'll be able to see right above where it says Trevor Android, it does not have a profile picture. If it used to have a profile picture, but now it just has a generic profile picture, just like this one, that's another indication that you have been blocked by that person. However, they could have just deleted their profile picture, so this is not basically bulletproof. The last and the most bulletproof way that will identify whether you've been blocked is to tap the back arrow till we go to the beginning, tap on the plus at the top right, and then tap on New Group. We're going to create a new group with that account that we think might have blocked us and some other one. Let's just choose a random other person and hit Next. And then I'll just hit Create here. After you create the group with that person that you think might have blocked you, you don't need to send a message, but you're going to tap on their names at the top and then scroll down from here, and you'll be able to see under members, if you can see that member in your group, they have not blocked you. However, if it does not show that they're in your group, unfortunately, they have blocked you and you're not able to add them to a group message or send them a message or even call them. I hope this helps. I know your day is busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of it here with me today, and I'll catch you on the next one.